Okay, so hi dear Virgo, very very good evening to you guys. This is 7 days, 7 Oshos and tarot messages for all the Virgo Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 26th of May till the 1st of June. And if you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing the course. Link is in description box. For Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self Love course, 2 links are given below. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box for the links. And please read the description properly before investing any money in the anything. Let's see, Virgo. We have the 26th, going with the flow, right? The more you are going to go with the flow and take things, people, situations, and everything the way it is, the more the more your life is going to be more easier and beautiful and positive and good to go, right? Don't resist the flow of life. Just try to go with the flow. Let whatever is happening happen. Let whosoever is leaving you leave. Let them leave. Let whatever is happening, just let it happen in a natural way, natural ongoing flowing way. Yeah. 27th, we have the possibilities. So you might have some kind of goal in your mind, but you are not able to see the clear picture of the path ahead of you, because right now the sun is going down, meaning your energies are going to, or might be very low right now, but the sun is going to go up someday for sure. All you have to do is you have to wait for the right time so that you can see the clear picture of the path ahead of you. Don't change your goal, just change your perception, that you will definitely be able to find the solution or find your path very very soon. Okay, now we have 28th, we have the awareness. Now on the 28th of the May, you are going to be more aware, you are going to be more mindful, you are going to be more connected with yourself. Your inner Buddhahood is kind of opening up, you can say. Okay, illusions are falling apart. You are able to see things, people, and situations clearly, very very clearly, with a wow, with more awareness. So something in you is shifting, and now you are able to see everything very very clearly, or you will start to see very very soon. 29th, we have the politics. Okay, you might end up having some kind of issues in your work or job or career area. People will try to manipulate you into investing in something, or trying to get some kind of secret out of you or something like that. Don't trust people for what they are saying to you. Don't overshare. Don't share your details or your secrets or your future plans with anybody. Okay, because they might go against you only. Wow, people. 30th of May, we have the sorrow. Now, on the 30th of May, in order to achieve some kind of goal in your life, you might feel like you have to isolate and you have to sulk, you have to cry, and you have to, do something, to make you go through something very, very serious. No, it's stupid. You can still achieve your goal with love, with happiness, if you are going to stay connected to the people, things, and situation that makes you happy. You can still achieve those goals in your life. It's bullshit that even if you are on the path of spirituality, it's bullshit that you have to leave each and everything behind in order to get enlightenment or spiritual growth. No, you can be worldly as well and you can be spiritual as well. Balance it out. Okay, don't create pain forcibly. 31st, we have the patience. Now, in order to get the kind of growth and happiness and success that you're looking forward to have in your life, Virgo, you have to be very very extremely patient with yourself, because you are creating something really really meaningful and beautiful here, and that's going to take time. And take notes of your energies and mood shifts also during the moon cycles, and make good use of those cycles, because someday you might feel very energetic during the moon cycles, and someday you're going to feel, oh my god, I don't care if everybody's dying. So make good use of those moods and those energies in your moon cycles. 1st of June, we have the Fool. You are going to have a naive and very bold kind of energy, of taking the risk kind of energy, of okay, let's do it, let's move forward. At the same time, you are going to carry a lot of childlike innocence within yourself, and or you should. So if you're planning to start something, especially on your spiritual journey, especially on your spiritual path, the universe got your back. Till the point you are innocent, till the point you're not trying to manipulate universal energies or anything or anyone, you are good to go, right? The universe got your back. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.